Hello everybody, this is EEM CEO um, showing you a video on how to um, make your virtual machine work, because I made another video on how to install VirtualBox, but now I'm going to show you how to use VirtualBox and how to make it work. So I'm doing this on Ubuntu, so it might be a little bit different from Windows, but otherwise it doesn't really make a difference otherwise. Alright, so I'm going to go into my accessories and I'm going to get VirtualBox. Alright, here's VirtualBox. So what you're going to do, today what we're going to do actually is we are going to use Ubuntu as our for our ISO image. So what you're going to do is you're going to go, this is on Windows and Ubuntu, press New. Now this screen's going to pop up and it's going to say, welcome to the new virtual machine wizard. So this is your wizard. Press Next. It's asking you for your OSA type or name. So we're going to type capital U, E-U, N-T-U, Ubuntu. And it usually automatically for your OS type, it usually picks it up right away. So Ubuntu, or let's do like see how. Alright, so now we're going to do Ubuntu. See how that changes that for when it says operating system and version. It'll change it for you. So we're going to do Ubuntu. Linux. Alright. Then you're going to press Next. Then it's asking you for memory. How much memory are you going to allow this operating system to take from for your computer? Like how much RAM it's going to take up. Press Next. Usually you're going to have boot hard disk checked, and you're going to want to create a new hard disk. Alright. Next. You're going to have it do dynamically expanding storage. If you want a fixed size storage, it's going to ask you like what you're going to want to do, or actually I'll show you. Press that. It's going to ask you how much you want. You're just going to want to do that. Ubuntu Linux for your file, or where you want it to be saved as. Ubuntu Linux. And press Finish. And finish. Again. Now what you want to do, see how it has a new thing here now, it says Ubuntu Linux. What you're going to do is press Start. That's how you start your virtual machine. Alright. It's just asking you if you want your virtual machine to connect, like capture your keyboard. Alright. Now, this is the first run wizard. So you're going to press Next. Now, you could either do it through a CD, or you could do it from an ISO image. I'm going to do it through an ISO image. It's very easy, but if you're going to do a CD, it'll pick up the CD. It'll pick up the CD right here, but and then it'll boot from the CD. But for the ISO image, we're going to go to this little file, press that. My ISO image, I just downloaded it, so I'm going to go to my downloads, and it's only going to look for like disk images and stuff. Well, what just happened? Alright, that's not what I wanted to happen. No. What's happening? Well, now that I got that figured out, a little confusion there. So, like I was saying, you select it, and then it'll say ISO, and then you press Next, Finish, and it should start up your VirtualBox. So Okay. And English. I'm just going to do try Ubuntu without installing because I really don't want to install it. Should start up. If it doesn't start up, that means that the ISO image is bad, but it should. Oh, here it goes. This is just asking if you want your mouse to be captured and whatnot. So just press OK. And see how I don't have a mouse? Or I do still have a mouse, but if I press, see my mouse is in there. If I don't want my mouse, or I'll show you in a second. Now it's loading Ubuntu 11.10. Alright, so Ubuntu has officially started up. It's loading everything right now. Now, your virtual machine, like I have Ubuntu running it on it, it's not necessarily going to be very fast. It might be a little bit slower than what you're used to. Like it'll lag a little bit. See how my mouse kind of lags? Anyway, yeah. So this is Ubuntu. I just started it up. Yep. That's my docking. Alright. Now, how do you close down your virtual box? I'm going to show you. You could either press this down here. You know how you go on Ubuntu and you know how you like go and press like shutdown and whatnot. Well, you don't have to do that. All you have to do is exit out of your virtual box. It's going to ask you if you want to save the machine state. So when you save it, if you're installing something, you could stop it and save it. So then when you come back onto your virtual box and you start up that virtual machine, it'll go back where it's saved. You can send a shutdown signal, or you can power off the machine. I'm just going to power off the machine. That's okay. And then it's gone. Alright, so this is EEM CEO. Please subscribe and leave comments. Thank you.